Managing your money can feel like an impossible battle. But what if you could simplify it all down to just 5 powerful steps? Whether you're living paycheck to paycheck or looking to build long-term wealth, these principles are your financial foundation. Let's go check out these 5 essential steps of personal finance management, the same steps used by financially successful people around the world. First up is budgeting, but it's not like you normally view them. Think of your budget as a GPS for your money. It tells you exactly where you're going and how to get there. Start by calculating your total monthly income after taxes. Then list all of your fixed and variable expenses: rent, groceries, transportation, subscriptions, dining out, etc. A popular method is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and debt repayment. Not a fan of spreadsheets? No problem. Use budgeting apps to automate tracking and notifications. The goal is to give every dollar a job before the month even begins. Next, we have an essential step of every successful financial journey. Financial security starts with being ready for the unexpected. Car repair, job loss, medical bills. An emergency fund gives you peace of mind and helps you avoid falling into debt. Start by setting a goal of $1,000 as your first milestone. Then work towards saving an amount that you feel comfortable with. It's about being able to sleep at night. This money should be separate from your regular savings account, ideally in a high-interest account where it earns some extra money, but stays easily accessible. This step might seem boring, but it is powerful. It's your financial armor. Not all debt is equal. Bad debt, like high-interest credit cards, buy now pay later apps, or personal loans, can quickly spiral out of control. The longer you carry it, the more you pay in interest. But how can you get rid of your debt? There are 2 popular strategies. The debt snowball method, where you pay off the smallest balance first to build momentum. And the debt avalanche method, where you pay off the debt with the highest interest rate first to save the most money. Whichever you choose, commit to paying more than the minimum and avoid taking on new debt. Your future net worth depends on what you do now. Once your budget is under control and your debts are shrinking, it's time to grow your wealth. And in Australia, it starts with your superannuation. Your employer is required to contribute a percentage of your salary into your super fund. But did you know you can add extra contributions yourself? Even small amounts, known as voluntary contributions, can significantly increase your retirement savings thanks to compounding returns and tax benefits. You can also choose how your super is invested, whether that's conservative, balanced, or high growth. Many Australians don't realise that default options may not suit their goals, so it pays to log in and check. Outside of super, consider investing in index funds or ETFs through platforms like CommSec, Superhero, or SelfWealth. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. It's not just about building wealth, it's about keeping it safe. Start by getting the right insurance. You always hope you never need it, but it's times that we do need insurance that can throw our financial journeys a curveball. Here are some of the insurances you should consider for your financial journey. Private health insurance for medical emergencies. Motor insurance to protect your car and liability. Home and contents, insurance for your property and personal belongings. Income insurance to make sure you still have money coming in if you can't work. And life insurance, especially if you have dependents. Personal finance isn't about being perfect, it's about making progress. Personal finance is not complicated, so don't make it more difficult than it needs to be. These small steps set you up for financial success. But there are plenty of small daily habits that can cost you dearly. Check out this video to make sure you don't fall for these financial traps.